In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable readability statistics in Microsoft Word. This is a handy feature for anyone looking to ensure that their document is not only grammatically correct, but also easy to read and understand. Whether you're writing an article, a report, or an academic paper, readability statistics can be a helpful tool in reaching your intended audience effectively. Let's begin by opening your Microsoft Word file. Make sure the document you want to check is open and ready. This process won't alter your document, so don't worry about losing any data. Now in the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see the File tab. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new screen where you'll find various options for managing your file settings. Once you're in the File menu, look toward the bottom for the option labeled Options. Clicking this will open a new window packed with settings you can adjust. It might seem a little overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're just focusing on a particular section today. In the Word Options window, you'll see a menu on the left side. Look for the Proofing option and click on it. This section is dedicated to settings related to spelling and grammar checks. It's where we will enable our readability statistics. Under Proofing, scroll down to the section that says, When correcting spelling and grammar in Word. Here, you'll find a list of checkboxes with various options. Now look for the option labeled Show Readability Statistics. You want to make sure that this checkbox is ticked. By enabling this feature, Microsoft Word will generate readability statistics each time you complete a spelling and grammar check. These statistics include metrics such as the Flesch Reading Ease score, which helps you gauge how easy your text is to read. Lower scores suggest harder texts, whereas higher scores suggest simpler texts that are easier to digest. Now that you've checked the Show Readability Statistics box, go ahead and click OK at the bottom of the Word Options window. This will save your settings and bring you back to your document. The next step is to actually run the spell check to see your readability statistics. To do this, navigate to the Review tab at the top of your screen. Once there, find and select Spelling and Grammar. Once the check is complete, the readability statistics will pop up in a new window, giving you detailed insights into your document's readability level. And that's it. You've set up Microsoft Word to display readability statistics, providing valuable information about your document. This feature will definitely come in handy as you aim to create clear and engaging content. If you have any other questions on how to use Word's powerful tools, feel free to ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy writing.